All right, so a little example of our greatest integer function graph here. And for any of our functions that we graph, make sure the first thing that we do is carefully factor out any coefficients. So I should get a -6 in here. And if I double checked if I multiplied that through, that would be a +3. So I think I'm doing okay. I like to write out all the changes that are going to happen to my x's and y's. So everything inside is x changes, right? I've got a horizontal reflect, which is that -x. I'm going to do 2 times x would be a horizontal stretch. And I'm going to do x plus 6, which would move us to the right 6. And then the only y change we have on the outside is that +4. So that'll be y plus 4, which would move the graph up 4. So of course we could take our parent function down here, which I just drew in red, greatest integer x, and we could apply all of those changes. So if you're comfortable doing that, go ahead. Or you can use a t-chart to help you out. So I'm going to do the t-chart method. I think a lot of people like this way. And I'm going to take original key points from that graph down below. So I've got some nice points like 0, 0. I also take some open circles. So this open circle at 1, 0, I actually write on my t-chart, and I'm just going to put like a little step sideways. So I remember that 1, 0 was my open circle. I'm going to do one more step on here. So 1, 1 and 2, 1. I'm going to do the same thing. That is an open circle. So that's what I have going on there. Let me actually see if I can move this guy. Nice, move it up here so I have a little bit of room. So I'm going to apply all of these changes at once. So I'm being time efficient here. So with the y's, the only thing that's happened is I'm going to add 4. And the x's, we have got a lot. We've got -2x plus 6. So I've got 6, -2 plus 6 is 4. Negatives, this one should also be 4. And -4 plus 6 is 2. So we'll see how this looks. Hopefully it kind of looks normal at the end. And I'm going to draw a nice little grid down here for me. Looks like I need to go over to 6 for my x's. So can I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Can't do it, so I'll just scale by 1. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way through. Same thing for my y's. So my first point, and I got them up here, right? I've got this closed circle at 6, 4. So 6, 4, I've got a closed circle. And then 4, 4, I've got an open circle. And notice I'm kind of going backwards here, right? When I graph, that's because we had that horizontal reflection up to start. So I'm going from like closed to open. And then my next step is at 4, 5 is my closed circle. And 2, 5 would be my open circle. So these are looking good. All the steps are 2 times as long from that horizontal stretch. And my first starting point was to the right 6 and up 4. So if you had just gone to the graph, you could work backwards for those. Now I told us to graph at least 3 steps on there. So that'll be that. All right, hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Good luck.